So when we look at this and the convergence of communication and compute, the partnerships are really, really, really key. Because we know and we've learned through some of our past experiences that working with the ecosystem and making sure that we deliver this together is fundamental. We have 5 pillars, so we look at this in terms of what it means to accelerate 5G. We look at our global partnerships, and we'll talk about that in a little bit more detail, and collaborating with the key industry leaders and trendsetters. We also look at the products on the way. This is not going to be, okay, wait until 2020 and then products will come in. This is really about starting to deliver products and starting to make the right-hand turn so that we can really test the networks and see what's going on and deliver to that. This is also about end-to-end design from client to network to cloud. So some of the work we're doing on the infrastructure side is absolutely key. This is about time to market, rapid prototyping. Some of the theories about what we're trying to deliver, for example, millimeter wave technology, making sure that we're delivering those today, testing them, doing interoperability testing, making sure that the physics match the reality is very important. Last but not least, making sure that we drive with the ecosystem for standard leadership so that all of the solutions are standardized in IEEE, in 3GPP, as well as around the cloud, as well as around network function virtualization is key so that everybody can then implement to these standards. So, talking about the partnership, this is, I understand, fundamental, and this is something that we're absolutely committed to. We are working with leaders worldwide, not just in the US or not just in Europe or not just in Asia, worldwide, to make sure that the TAMs, meaning the infrastructure vendors, the device makers, including, by the way, partners and competitors, as well as the operators worldwide, we're collaborating and building to the same thing. So let's talk about a few of our partners. This is just the list today. Expect it to grow, it's going to continue. We're working, as you can see, with leading operators worldwide. We're working with different industry leaders around routers. We're working with infrastructure vendors. We're working with friends and competitors to make this happen. And you can expect over the next few months and years to see more and more partners adding to this, because we think that one of the things that Intel brings to the equation is the ability to get all of these partners together working towards the same goal. We also have some partnerships that we had announced already, but there is new news. So, for example, with Ericsson, we have 5G solutions and we are now engaging in actual field trials. And I think you'll hear a little bit more about that in a few minutes. With KT, Korea Telecom, we are also implementing 5G trials towards 2018 with a joint standardization effort. With LG, we are developing a pilot for the wireless industry for next generation cards. With Nokia, we are working on 3 standard 5G radio technologies and network solutions as we speak, and we expect those to then go to trial. With SKT, we are actually developing and verifying 5G mobile devices as we speak, network solutions, and also working around license assisted access so that we can run LTE over the unlicensed band and run Wi-Fi over the licensed band. So as you can see, even though these partnerships were announced a while back, this is progress and the status of things that are happening as we speak, and we're way beyond just the PowerPoint stage. Verizon is another important one. I think you've all read about the Verizon Forum and how they are also leading the industry. We are part of that, along with many other companies. Same thing, we are also engaged with actual trials with them, and we're really, really looking forward to this.